Time for you to meet silver. And just like gold, silver wouldn't be one of the precious metals around without its flexible characteristics and its hyped origin. Despite the undervalued appreciation silver receives, in reality, silver is more versatile in terms of its usage to a variety of industrial and commercial applications usage, unlike gold. Research shows that silver remains the best electrical conductor known to man. It is among the most malleable and ductile of all metals. Excellent thermal conductor. Also, it has the highest light reflectivity and sensitivity. That explains what makes up a solar panel. For the past 30 years, the world forces have pushed silver mining production to a tremendous rise that could no longer sustain the demands of the world. 90% of the world's pure silver mining industries have already experienced bankruptcies. Studies show that unlike gold, currently 80% of the silver is a byproduct of different base metals, such as copper, lead, and zinc. Many pure silver mining producers are discouraged to increase their supply output for the fear of pure silver's depletion. So they turn to differing sources of metal instead, copper, lead, and zinc. This is one of the only ways to sustain the demand of silver. Silver production is now dependent on the mining production of other metals. How does this appreciate silver? The world is running out of pure silver. Hence, silver is ideally more valuable than gold.